In this upcoming episode, I'm just going to be sharing my experience in how I was using ChatGPT to find the song with some lyrics that I was looking for. If you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. So I was looking for this song. It's an old school song that had the lyrics, oh, oh, oh my God. And I knew the lyrics, but I just need to find the song. So then ChatGPT comes back and says, it sounds like you're referring to You Can't Touch This by MC Hammer. And he talks about how the song is famous for its catchy hook and the line, followed by the iconic phrase, stop, hammer time. Okay, obviously we know that's not it because I'm looking for, oh my God, right? So I just came back and said, no, that's not it. So then ChatGPT comes back and says, it looks like the song you might be referring to could be Oh My God by A Tribe Called Quest, letting me know that this track is known for its distinctive lyrics and sound, characteristic of the group's innovative approach to hip hop in the early 90s and blah, blah, blah. Then I come back and I said, no, that's not it. Couldn't have been by the Wordy Rapping Hood people. I got a little bit of a typo in here, but it's like during the time of the Wordy Rapping Hood when those people were out. So then ChatGPT comes back and says, given the additional clue, it seems you might be referring to a song that's not by the Wordy Rapping Hood artist, the Tom Tom Club. It says, if the phrase, oh my God is a prominent part of the song, but it's not by MC Hammer or A Tribe Called Quest, and considering the reference to Wordy Rapping Hood people as a likely misinterpretation or playful description, we might need to think about other hip hop or dance tracks from around the same era or even later. Then it comes back and it tells me one possibility could be Oh My God by Usher featuring will.i.am. And of course, I didn't read the whole thing, but I came back and I said, it was before Usher's time, maybe even the 1980s. And so then he comes back and he says, given your hint about the era, it seems like the song you're referring to might be Oh My God by Dougie Fresh. And I'm like, yes, finally we're getting somewhere. And I came back and I said, that's the one. So, so this is just the way you got to talk to the system. And, when I'm talking to ChatGPT and I'm asking these questions, it's just like having a conversation with a friend of mine and we're going through a whole bunch of songs. Could it be this? Could it be that? Blah, 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 until you get the right one. So I hope you get the point of how, you got to kind of talk to the system and ask it questions and just kind of let it know what you're trying to achieve. And, you may strike gold and get something and then it may take a little bit longer, but I'm just kind of giving you an idea for how I was trying to find the name of a song by using some lyrics, which, oh my God, those are not really, something that you would just be able to just find on the internet in some cases. Now, so for illustrative purposes, I did go out to Google and I wrote in here, oh my God, who sang this song with these lyrics? Okay. So then it comes back, number one, a song with Adele, and it's showing this as a YouTube video. And then, of course, Pretty Reckless, Adele comes up again, Alec Benjamin, Usher, the same thing that the ChatGPT was giving me and everything. And then A Tribe Called Quest is showing up. And, so I'm just scrolling down. And here on my first page, I don't see anything that references Dougie Fresh to say that, he's the one that sang a song with these lyrics in there. So, the ChatGPT can be a really good resource to help me find something quicker because I'm still scrolling through here and I still don't see anything that references Dougie Fresh. So I really like this artificial intelligence and the ChatGPT that can get me the information that I need rather quickly. Thank you so much for being in my audience. I really am grateful that you were here all the way through to the end to see this part of the video. And I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and come back and visit me. Alrighty? Hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.